Good day. It is March 7, 2019. Thank you for joining us here on YouTube. This week has produced perhaps the most important trade signal we are going to see this half year, and in some ways, the most important of this entire decade so far. We say this because markets over the last 25 years, from you're looking at 1994 to 2019, have gone through these bull and bear cycles: bull cycle, bear cycle, bull cycle, bear cycle, etc. We define a bull cycle as the trend where the 13-day moving average of the New York Stock Exchange Composite is rising. The MACD monthly is on a buy signal, and the CCI is in a buy signal. A bear market is just the opposite. We have entered in 2018 a primary bear market where the MACD monthly went to sell. The 13-month moving average of the New York Stock Exchange index turned down. The CCI produced a sell signal. We are in a primary bear market, but within that primary bear market, we have had one heck of a rally from December 24th, where the Standard & Poor's 500 rallied almost 20%, which is a massive bear market rally. On Tuesday of this week, we got a key reversal where the Standard & Poor's 500 opened at a new high, closed below the prior day's closing, and did so on high volume. That is a key reversal. On Wednesday of this week, we got from our line of least resistance at 7 Sentinels a sell signal. This sell signal has been right spot on over the last year and longer at calling the trends. It's been in an uptrend since December, and it just went to a sell signal on Tuesday of this week. That's extremely important. This downturn represents, after this bear market rally, the onset of the second leg of this primary bear market. Now look at some of those other second legs. Let's look at, for example, 2001 and 2, boom. 2008 and into 2009, boom. And now we are entering that same kind of second leg down in 2019. We think this will be the biggest bear market yet, for reasons that you can read about at the 7 Sentinels website by going to the bottom of the page and just simply looking at these articles down at the bottom of the page. Click on any of them. They're free. They will explain where we are in terms of the whole big picture. Articles like When Worlds Collide talks about the colliding bull market that peaked in 2017 with the bear market that began in 2018. That was a collision of extreme importance. Red Sky in the Morning explains all the warning signals that we got all the way through 2017 and into 2018. And that will stand as a quintessential example of a stock market top for decades to come. A century from now, they'll be talking about the 2017 top. Rainmaker, another such article. All these articles are free for you to read. Meet the New Boss, same as the old boss. It explains how we're going through now just what we went through in 2008, just what we went through in 2001 and 2, just what we went through in 1987, and so on. The New Boss is same as the old boss. taken from a song by The Who, as you probably know. But at any rate, if you also click on this link right here, it says limited time trial. For $9.95, you can have everything that's on Seven Sentinels. All our articles during the day that we write while the market is open, all of our articles and analysis we do every night, all our weekly articles, our trade signals, our trades themselves, all of it for $9.95 for 17 days. So we hope you'll come by and check that out. That's all we're going to talk about today. We just want to let you know that this is the most important signal, perhaps, of this decade, and it just occurred. You're getting in early if you get on board the second leg of the bear market right now. So thank you very much for coming by, and good trading.